Hello from Hanover. My name is Hendrik Engelking and I am the new Global Director for our trade fairs INTERSCHUTZ, Parts to Clean, Surface Technology Germany, but especially for LIGNA. Deutsche Messe AG used the past few months for its reorganization. Even more than ever before, the new structure focuses on the trade show's success of our customers. In this context of LIGNA, I would like to introduce Stefanie Wagner, who I am very sure you are already familiar with, as our new Head of LIGNA. Together with the entire team and the VDMA, I'm very much looking forward to leading the world's leading trade show, LIGNA, into the future. Stefanie.
Thank you, Hendrik. Well, from the new face to the old face, or hopefully more the known face of LIGNA. My name is Stefanie Wagner and I've been with Deutsche Messe for more than 17 years now. And for the last 10 years I was part of the LIGNA team already. So from now on I'm really happy to be the new head of LIGNA and together with the team do go on what we do best and what we have done best in the past. Hopefully to create LIGNA as furthermore the world's leading platform for the woodworking and wood processing industries, and to develop it together with you, our partners and customers, into what we do best. Create a platform, create an international platform around the woodworking industry, together with the services we develop together with you. We are very much looking forward to working with you again and to be welcoming you again in Hanover very soon in May 2023.